The Charleston Single Cottage at 438 UG Street was built in 1893 by William H. Murray, a local carpenter. An addition to the rear of the building was completed in 1915. The cottage is one of the oldest remaining homes in the Hampton Park Terrace neighborhood. Demolition of non-historic features revealed original windows, original door and window configuration, original porch detail, and original siding. New footings were poured around all existing footings, and no original piers were removed. 1960s era additions were removed, and the porches and piazza entrance were rebuilt to fit the original footprint. All intact original beams were retained. The structure had to be leveled and the chimney was straightened and repointed. The 1915 addition to the house was heavily damaged by termites, but the original 1893 structure remained intact. The piazza and piazza screen were rebuilt to the original footprint as detailed and described by elderly neighbors. All material used for balusters, columns, ceilings, and piazza door was salvaged, except for the porch where the railings were custom milled. 3 original windows were found and enclosed within the walls of an enclosed porch and restored. Final windows were removed and replaced with wooden 6/6 windows to match the originals. All of the original shutters were removed, but appropriate workable shutters were salvaged, restored, and installed on the front facade. Salvaged 4-panel doors and hardware were used on the rebuilt piazza entrance, and the new 4-panel doors were custom made for the entry to the home. The original cedar shake shingle roof had been covered by a single layer of turned metal, which was carefully repaired with new panels as needed. 438 UG Street is a classic example of the Charleston cottage vernacular and greatly contributes to the Hampton Park Terrace Historic District.